In the endless depths of space, a new beacon of hope and wonder emerges SpaceX's groundbreaking creation, the Haven 1 space station. Step into a world where gravity defies its own rules, where human ingenuity reaches beyond the bounds of Earth, and where the mysteries of the universe unfold before your eyes. Brace yourself for an extraordinary journey as we unlock the gateway to the cosmos. Embark on the adventure of a lifetime and witness the birth of a new era in space exploration. Welcome to the breathtaking world of Haven 1, where dreams become reality and the stars are within our reach. On May 10, VAST announced in collaboration with SpaceX their plans to launch Haven 1, the world's first private commercial space station. Haven 1 will initially act as an independent small space station and then be connected as a module to a larger space station under development. When is it launching? VAST and SpaceX are planning to launch Haven 1 on a Falcon 9 rocket no earlier than 2025, followed by VAST 1, the first crewed mission to Haven 1. A SpaceX Crew Dragon will carry 4 astronauts for a 30-day mission on LEO orbit. VAST already secured an option for a second human spaceflight to the station aboard a Dragon spacecraft. SpaceX will also provide crew training, mission simulations, and spacesuits. The 14-ton, 3.8-meter wide module will provide 70 cubic meters of pressurized volume and will carry 150 kilograms of preloaded cargo mass. A docking port is situated at one end and a large window on the opposite one. VAST will also conduct the world's first spinning artificial gravity experiment with Haven 1. VAST is selling 4 crewed seats for the Haven 1 mission, which can include both international space agencies and private customers. VAST's ambitious plans. VAST is a young space company, founded just 2 years ago by the American entrepreneur James Webb and based in Long Beach, California. Since its debut, VAST set itself as a possible future leader in the sector of commercial space stations. At the beginning of 2023, VAST announced the relocation to a newly built 100 square meter facility where Haven 1 will be designed and manufactured. Shortly after, VAST announced the acquisition of the space startup launcher, which is developing the orbiter payload host and the E2 engine. After Haven 1 and other possible Falcon 9 class modules, VAST is planning to launch 2028 a bigger space station module relying on SpaceX's fully reusable Starship Super Heavy lift rocket. This is an important step towards the development of a 100-meter-long spinning stick space station that provides various gravitational environments, including Earth, Mars, Moon, and asteroid gravities. Artificial gravity. The artificial gravity station will be assembled in space with 7 Starship launch modules. The spinning stick station will accommodate up to 40 astronauts and is scheduled to be launched in the late 2030s. In a longer-term project, VAST aims to operate dozens of artificial gravity and zero-gravity space stations across our solar system. The speed with which the company is growing is quite remarkable, considering that VAST didn't benefit from the first round of NASA funding awarded to 3 companies. In 2021, Blue Origin, NanoRacks, and Northrop Grumman received a total of $415 million for the development of future commercial space stations that would replace the International Space Station by the end of this decade. The concept. Haven 1 is far from that concept. It is a module 10.1 meters long and 3.8 meters in diameter, with 70 cubic meters of pressurized volume inside. It is designed to squeeze inside a Falcon 9 payload fairing, deploying solar arrays after reaching orbit that will generate 15 kilowatts of power. The design is part of a deliberate effort to get spaceflight experience quickly. You can't go from zero to building a Starship-sized thing that can hold 40 people, said Jed McCaleb, founder and CEO of VAST, in an interview on May 10, the day his company announced plans for Haven 1. You need to take incremental steps, and this one seems very doable. McCaleb has the financial means to develop Haven 1. He is a billionaire from cryptocurrency ventures, with an estimated net worth of $2.4 billion. That is 1,272nd place in the world, according to Forbes. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are currently in 2nd and 3rd place, trailing Bernard Arnault. He has previously said he was willing to spend hundreds of millions of his money on VAST. Hop became president of VAST as part of the acquisition and has been focused on what came Haven 1. That effort prioritizes speed over size. We believe that it's more important that we demonstrate that we can have the first, but also a full space station system in orbit, he said in an interview the day of the announcement. That means making the module simple. There will be something of a symbiotic relationship between Crew Dragon and Haven 1. The capsule can remain in orbit on its own only for several days, so Haven 1 enables month-long missions. Haven 1, in turn, will rely on some of Crew Dragon's systems for life support, with VAST and SpaceX working closely together to enable that. We are divide and conquering the life support system between us so that we can do it quickly, he said. Commercial module. VAST would like Haven 1 around the time that Axiom expects to add its first commercial module to the ISS. Hott said he believes the simplicity of a free-flying module will win out over the complexities involved with a module that is part of the ISS, including working with the station's various partners. If it's very complicated and there's a lot of requirements and you don't have the flight manifested, we think we will beat it, he said. VAST had not been founded at the time of the original NASA CLD competition, but Hott said competing in later phases of that program is a priority. We see NASA as our biggest opportunity, as our largest customer, he said. Having Haven 1 in operation, he said, would give VAST an advantage over competitors yet to fly. We're not going to send you renders or prototypes in a warehouse. We have flight hardware. The contract with SpaceX covers one Crew Dragon mission to Haven 1 with an option for a second. Hott said the module is designed for up to 4 missions of as long as 30 days each. Haven 1 is a stepping stone to the company's long-term vision of large stations that can rotate, generating artificial gravity. Its product roadmap includes a spinning stick space station 100 meters long made of modules 7 meters in diameter launched on Starship, capable of hosting 40 people. That station would be developed by the 2030s. In the wondrous depths of space, a new beacon of hope emerges SpaceX's majestic space station, the Haven 1. As we witness its grandeur and envision the boundless possibilities it holds, we are drawn into a future where humanity's presence expands beyond the confines of Earth. The Haven 1 stands as a testament to the unyielding spirit of exploration, embodying the culmination of scientific prowess and technological marvels. In the wondrous depths of space, a new beacon of hope emerges SpaceX's majestic space station, the Haven 1. As we witness its grandeur and envision the boundless possibilities it holds, we are drawn into a future where humanity's presence expands beyond the confines of Earth. The Haven 1 stands as a testament to the unyielding spirit of exploration, embodying the culmination of scientific prowess and technological marvels.